Hello, my name is Santiago Acosta Yepes. I live in a small apartment. My apartment is comfortable, clean, and cozy. It is big enough of one person, but is too small for many visitors. I wish I could travel more and visit new countries. Also wish I had more trying to relax and spend time with my family. Sometimes I wish I could work less and enjoy life more. To life a simpler and happier life. I want to my from less and accessories more. I would also like to save more money and enjoy simple moments and home. Thank you for watching my video.